Okay guys, so I'm just starting off by sectioning off the front part of my hair so that it's easier for me to part the whole thing. It's always easier to work in sections with natural hair. So yeah, just parting the front off and then parting the back. And y'all were saying my parts look good on Instagram, but they were not perfect, but they were decent enough. So thank you, I appreciate it. But now I'm just doing the first braid, and then the first braid was horrible, but then I figured out a way. And I'm just using the Keisha collection edge control in the bubblegum scent, and then I'm just sectioning off all the pieces of hair so that they're pre-sectioned and I won't have to go back in, and it's just more efficient that way. Also, I tried to line the parts up with each other so that it looked neater. Okay, so for this part, I'm gonna take 3 sections, or like 3 of these, and they're equal size, and then I'm gonna braid it into each. I'm gonna show you. So, and yeah, if you're separating the hair and you can't like separate it all the way because your arms are too short, do what I do, because I'm only 4'11". Use your knee and like this with your knee, and it'll work. And what I like to do for efficiency is I part like 9 or 12, not part, but like section off 9 or 12 groupings of those size of hair, so that I can just keep on braiding and won't have to keep on separating the hair from this over and over, and I could just get more done in like one sitting. So yeah, do that if you want more efficiency. I've just put it on my like laptop because I don't have like one of those hair racks, but you can get a hair rack too, but I'm just gonna use my laptop because why not? And you can also use like a chair, like a hard chair, like one of those dining room chairs, and put it on like the back of the chair, and that works even better. And you can do that, and you can sit in another chair. Good. Okay, so like now that the hair is really sectioned off, I would have went in with the edge control, which is I'm using the Keisha collection. I would usually apply that to like right here, just to make sure I can grip every like hair in that section so that there's no like flyaways. But now I'm just gonna take these two and overlap them, and I braid it overhand, so it's really different for a lot of people. So maybe if you couldn't understand the other tutorials, maybe you can understand this one. It's not really a tutorial though, because I'm just doing them for the first time, but I figured out how to do them in a way I think other people might be able to understand. So yeah, I'm gonna take 3 sections just like a regular braid, and then I'm gonna take these two in my left hand and I'm gonna overlap them. And now I'm gonna add the hair in this one because I needed like a start of a braid in order to do it. So yeah, I'm gonna take this little section, piece, whatever, make sure it's in the middle, because that's probably why my other ones are so long. Like they literally come to my thigh a lot. Anyways, I'm gonna take this and then I'm gonna attach it to this section that I have not overlapped yet, and to the 2 sections on the outside really. And then I'm gonna braid that like once, overlap the other 2 that haven't been overlapped yet. And then I'm gonna overlap the other 2, and then I'm gonna do the same thing again. And I'm only gonna do that 3 times for each and every braid. And now I'm just gonna braid regularly because I don't need to add any more hair, and it's just really simple after that. You just braid like you usually braid, and make sure you're like holding it taut. It's easier than like the braids with knots to me, because I don't know why, because I think it's because with the braids with knots I have to like pull it up, continuously pull it up, with these it's like regularly braiding pretty much. It's more similar to regular braiding without added hair. So yeah, I think this is better for beginners. But then again, I'm not a beginner with like braiding really, because I started in 2016. So yeah, I feel like this would be better. But then again, I don't know, because I thought adding hair was really hard at first, and it's really not. And like, if it gets tangled at the ends, like mine always does, because I forget to like detangle it as I go, I just hold this part so that it doesn't really come out and try to pull it. And if it doesn't work, then I hold it like this, and then I pull it there, and just keep on pulling, because it's not your real hair, so it doesn't really matter how much you pull, as long as you don't pull the whole braid out, then you're good. And then you can wrap up the hair on your fingers so you can easily throw it away and it won't just be everywhere, because hair is going to get everywhere regardless, but you can minimize the hair. Oh yeah, by the way guys, this is like 2 days later, I think, since the last time y'all saw me, and it's only because I've been taking long breaks, but also they're to my thighs, so like you can't even see the whole entire braid if I do this. Hold on, that's how long they are. Then again, I'm short, so it's not hard to be to my thigh. But don't take long breaks like me, because I'll take like 2-hour breaks, and it's not good. But then again, it's on my own head. It'd be different if I was doing someone else's head, because I'm not taking a 2-hour break, maybe 10 minutes, not 2 hours. I know this transition was super abrupt, but as you can see, the parts are not perfect, but they're good enough in the back, and the front is all that really matters. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and yeah, bye.